Let's solve this question. If a raised to the power 8 plus 1 upon a raised to the power 4 is given as 527, then find the value of a raised to the power 6 plus 1 upon a raised to the power 3 if a is positive real number. So this question is actually camouflaged as a tough one, but believe me, it's a very easy question. But let's just divide this numerator by the denominator and separate out the terms. So it becomes that a raised to the power 8 is divided by a raised to the power 4, and we get a raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon a raised to the power 4. It is given as 527. And I have to find the value of this expression. This is nothing but when I divide these two terms by a raised to the power 3, I will get a raised to the power 3 plus 1 upon a raised to the power 3. I have to find the value of this expression. Now, if I know the value of a raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon a raised to the power 4, I can go to this value first, a square plus 1 upon a square, right? And from here, I can go to this the value of this expression, a plus 1 upon a, right? Because if a plus 1 upon a, it is equal to k. It is equal to k. If I square these two sides, a square plus 1 upon a square becomes, if I square these two sides, let's just square this side, it becomes a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2 is equal to k square. So from here, a square plus 1 upon a square becomes k square minus 2. So I get this expression as k square minus 2. And if I again square this equation, I would reach to this step, a raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon a raised to the power 4. So let's just square these two sides. It becomes a raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon a raised to the power 4 plus 2 is equal to k square minus 2 whole square. So the value from here, the value of this term a raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon a raised to the power 4 becomes k square minus 2 whole square plus minus 2, and it is given as 527. So from here I can get the value of k very easily. How this expression k square minus 2 whole square becomes 527 plus 2, 529. And I know 529 is the square of 23. So this k square minus 2, if I take square root both sides, it becomes 23. So from here, I get k square as 25 and I get k as plus minus 5. K can assume these two values, positive or negative 5. Mind you, a is given as positive real number. If a is positive real number, then a plus 1 upon a would be positive, so k would be positive. So k cannot assume value minus 5, so k would be plus 5. If k is plus 5 or k is a plus 1 upon a plus 1 upon a is 5, I can reach to this value just by cubing both the sides. If I cube these both sides, I get a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab, that is a into 1 upon a plus b, that is 1 upon a, is equal to, other side is 5 cube. 5 cube is 125. So from here I get the value of this term as a cube plus 1 upon a cube is equal to this get cancelled. A plus 1 upon a is 5. So the value of this expression, this term is 5. 5 into 3 is 15. 15 goes to other side, so it becomes 125 minus 15. So I get 110 as the value of a cube plus 1 upon a cube. So correct answer to this question would be 110.